All right, moving on. Coffee farmers in Makueni County are staring at major coffee losses due to a lack of coffee pulping machines in their factories. The farmers say the machines' crucial processing components were confiscated by their lenders due to unpaid debts amounting to 1.2 million shillings.
The coffee subsector in Mboni, Makueni County, is facing an uncertain future. The sector has seen the number of farmers drop by more than 50% to 4,500 from the previous 10,000 farmers. The move has been attributed to mismanagement of funds within the Kikima Cooperative Society, pushing farmers towards avocado and macadamia farming. A section of the farmers accused the previous management of embezzling their funds and running the cooperative down. The farmers have also decried low returns from their crops due to high post-harvest losses following the failure of the factory's pulping machines.
Shida ni kubwa kwa sababu mashine zile zinasaga kahawa asikutengenezwa kwa muda unaofaa. Shida ni mismanagement of funds kwa ile kamiti ya kwanza ile iliondolewa na ile hiko sasa. Inaonekana hile ilitoka ndio ina influence wale wana manage, wale wana maintain machines za kusaga
kahawa. Niko na eka moja wa kulima kahawa, na mimi matalio yangu ya kahawa kila mwaka naweza pokea 40k kwa sababu mimi tegemeo yangu ni kwa shamba. Tegemeo yangu ni kwa shamba. Sababu hiyo kamati ambao tumechangua ndio imetuletea shida za saa hii, kahawa imeiba na hatujui mahali pa kupeleka.
Out of the 7 factories in the area, only one was in working condition.
Previously, we have had some forensic audit that was done, and actually it was touchy on the previous management, whereby some individuals were found to have mismanaged the society funds. And I urge the government to swiftly take action, and those proprietors who did illegalities have to be taken to book, so that even they should be forced to pay back all the losses, all the monies that were lost.
The farmers are now calling on the government to intervene to save their only source of livelihood. Ndosamo Kami for Lunchtime News.